What do you think?
I think you're the best there is. Look at us. We're having a really good time.
I like this little ferret.
Hi.
Hey, what are you doing?
There's people right out your window. I wish I had that. Where are they all going?
Right now, they're going home, Virgil.
Do you know them? What about her? Do you know her?
Yeah, that's Mrs. Abruzzo.
Why is she wearing 2 jackets?
I always ask her that. She says she just doesn't have time to get a warmer coat. But she says she's fine.
I don't think she's fine.
Yeah.
Hi, Mrs. Abruzzo. You have a great room, Maya, with a much better view than mine.
I'm glad you appreciate it, Virgil.
Hi, guys.
My room is an idiot. It has everything in it except for the most important thing.
Us?
How can you put a price on that?
You don't. Can't put a price on what's truly valuable.
Who needs money at all? Less than 5, right?